4-bedroom plus a DSQ, prime Kileleshwa location, spacious layout, and serious investment potential. If you've been looking for a luxury family home or a high-return real estate investment, this 2,916 square feet unit might just be the one for you. So let's take a look at a 48 million Kenyan shillings home and find out what makes it really special. Our main door is made of wood, very durable, strong and secure. It introduces us to the unit. And this here is our foyer. But before we proceed, we have our guest bedroom, which is to my left. Our guest bedroom is large enough to fit in a 5x6 bed and still have plenty of room for side drawers. There is sufficient cabinetry space and it is en suite. On our foyer, you can put up a console table, a very nice mirror to it, or art pieces, or you can have a small bench whereby you can sit and take off your shoes before you get into the unit. On our floor, we have Spanish tiles and they take us all through to the living space. It is spacious enough to fit in several sofa sets. And to this end, we have our wall unit where you can have a TV or a music system. I love how open and airy it is. We have our sliding doors, which double up as the windows to this space. You can access the balcony area from 3 access points. 2 are from the living space and 1 is from the dining area. Here you can enjoy views of the environs of Kileleshwa. You can have your coffee from here. You can work from this space or have your swing chair and have a lazy afternoon. Right from the balcony, we are introduced to our dining space, and it can accommodate a 6 to 8 seater dining set. There's more space here. You can have a console table, have more of your art pieces, or decide what to do with this space. Adjacent is our guest cloakroom. I'm loving how spacious it is. We have a floating sink, we have a smart mirror, and a vanity. Let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen space. We have our counter stools for your quick breakfast for family and your guests. I am loving what the developer did with this space. As you can see, we have a wine rack that can also hold your glasses. The countertop is quite generous and it is made of quartz granite. This unit comes with a fully fitted kitchen, and that means that it will come with an oven, a microwave, a 5-burner together with its hood, and drum rolls please, a dish washer. So once you purchase this unit, you do not have to carry along all these things. You will find them in this unit. Water is from a borehole, so it is quite plenty in this unit. We have space right over here for our double door fridge. On this end, we have a mini pantry area. Quite nice and neatly tucked in. If you're wondering, this door leads us to the laundry area and the DSQ. From our laundry area, we have an access door that can take you outside without interfering with guests. So through this door, your house manager can access their unit, or you can bring along your shopping to the pantry or the kitchen area with ease. Our DSQ can accommodate a 4x6 bed, and it is ensuite. Just to remind you, all our bedrooms are ensuite, and let's take a look at the second bedroom. A 6x6 bed can fit here comfortably and still have room for your side drawers, and to the far end, you can have a lazy chair to eat. I am loving the wall color. You can have your art pieces, express your creativity without hesitation. Our sliding door introduces us to the balcony area, and it also doubles up as the window to this room. In here, we have a floor-to-ceiling cabinetry area and plenty of storage space. Our bathroom area has its own cubicle, a floating sink, vanity, and a smart mirror. Down this corridor, we have 2 more doors that we're yet to explore. Behind this wooden door is our water heater, and that means that your baths are going to be so warm and relaxing. I am loving the continuous, flawless white walls, because this means more space for your art pieces, your family portraits. Our third bedroom has a different layout of the wardrobes, and I am loving the sliding doors. This enables maximum use of this space. You can comfortably fit a 5x6 bed right over here, and this room is ideal for your little ones. It also comes with a balcony and a sliding door that also operates as the window to this bedroom. And finally, our private retreat, the primary bedroom, also comes with a balcony area where you can have your afternoon coffee, your morning tea, and enjoy your views from there. Our primary bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. Let's take a look. So in here we have our floor-to-ceiling cabinetry area. There is so much storage space. You won't struggle with that. And to the very far end is our primary ensuite bathroom area. It comes with a bathtub, a floating toilet, a vanity, and a shower cubicle. Very, very modern fitting to this unit. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, for this house tour. If you enjoyed it, kindly do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, so that every time we upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are interested in this unit and would like to book for a site visit, kindly contact us through the number on your screen. We will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.